Good morning, guys. So today I'll be teaching you how to apply for your Opay card all by yourself. So straight down to the lower bar menu bar, and then you see home, reward, finance, cards, me. Go straight to the fourth one, cards, in between finance and me. Click on cards. So when you get to this page, this is where everything happens from. So I'll say pick from a nearby merchant, and that's the option I want. So it's gonna kind of detect my location, so telling me people around me. 12 Abibi Street, Lawanson Road. Then Asobara, Emmanuel 1 Eshlokun Street. You see, so this guy is near me, so he gave me the option to call the person or go to the person. So it does like this: share. You can share with somebody and they'll contact you. So from here, this person will help you with your card onboarding. So there's another person here, Ogona ya Aja. You know, there's Grace Junior here. So many people around you that can easily get a card across to you. But let's say you don't want this option. You want to say, okay, click for home delivery. Then you can come here, click for home delivery, and then you apply. You put in your data, fill in your address, nearest bus stop, your phone number, your backup number in case that one is switched off when the delivery comes around. You always need 2 numbers, and then next. You know, so you can see it's not something really difficult. So next time you want to apply for your cards, just follow these procedures and click submit. They're going to charge you, at some point. I'm not going through to the end of this form because I don't want it to be boring. It's just an introduction. So, but if you want to know more details about doing anything with your Opay card, just try and subscribe to our YouTube page. Follow us as I release more extensive videos that will take you throughout the user journey. Thank you very much.